Hey, this is Alabama Angler Matt. We're here at Old Snipper Creek on Casita Road in Chambers County. It's me, Alabama Angler Jacob, and Japanese Angler Sonny. We're here, hopefully we're going to catch some fish. We've hit, what was it, 333 subscribers now?
333.
So, this is going to be the giveaway for 300 subscriber mark?
It is.
Okay.
Everyone comment on the video to enter to win a t-shirt, a few lures, and it'll be the, like you said, 300 subscriber giveaway. And by that time, it might even be up to 400 subscribers. And if it is, we'll pick 2 people that comment on the video. Yeah. And we're taking applications. We got our friend Sonny. He's moving to Japan, so we're taking applications to replace him. So everyone, put in your applications. You got to, like to fish, and you have to be Japanese, half Japanese, and to take his spot.
You gotta like muscle cars.
And you got to like muscle cars.
You gotta have a really cool one that you want to let me drive.
You don't let us drive this car. Yeah.
Let's get doing some fishing.
Oh, don't look like it.
You getting on film? You throw them over in the water?
No, I got it in my hand.
What is it?
A little mouse.
You scared it's gonna bite you?
No.
You with the rabies? Come some more.
Yep, it's a monster. What do you say? It's a monster. Get you some. Oh, dude, this fish is so cold. Do what?
I said they ain't no fish moving over there. There's a daggum drip coming off the bridge. I kept saying, whoa, drip over there.
Oh, this is a nice one. Oh yeah, that's more like it. You see this junk?
What is going on with that?
He slung half his pole in the water. Dude, this is a nice one.
Oh, that's not bad.
That's a nice little. Look at the colors on that thing.
Oh no, it's like a.
I guess a bluegill, but. Alright, comment in the comments below what type of fish this is. No, I don't. Well, it's got a little bit of a yellow. A little bit of yellow right there. But I don't know. That purple's crazy looking.
Oh my. Feet are so cold.
Look at that. Got another one. This is a nice one too. Oh, dude. It's a little crappie. Yeah. Look. It's a crappie. A crappie. It's a crappie. Oh god. I recovered him though. He's a little dirty. There we go. A little crappie. What I'm talking about.
I don't know what fish it is. Ah, a pair of sunglasses.
River treasure.
Special video today, buddy.
Put them on. Styling, dude.
Styling and profiling, baby.
That is you.
Woo! You should become a wrestler.
Nice find.
Look at that. I found one of the lenses.
Oh, price is going up.
Price is going up.
You gonna dig in there and find a razor blades? pull a nub out. Got nothing. Let's see what it is. Sunfish. Dude, the colors are so pretty. I guess it's being cold.
Got mud on my face. What's this?
Oh God.
Yeah, I'm so jealous. I wonder what a used panty vending machine in Alabama would look like. It was over there and I yanked it. When I yanked it, it came loose and I hope you got that one on film.
How'd you do that? And your jig's hung in a tree over here.
It was over there and I yanked it. When I yanked it, it came loose and
Oh man.
I hope you got that one on film.
No. Well, it might have. I don't know.
Sonny said there's more river treasures. Where are they at? What? These are good. These are real good. More sunglasses. How come every river has like pairs and pairs and pairs of sunglasses?
That's not a good idea.
I'm gonna put them on. Oh yeah.
Holy kid sunglasses.
Yeah. They're going in the pocket.
They look good.
There's some fish over here. Or not.
Or not. It's gonna be the sweet spot. Or not.
Is it gonna be the honey hole or the duty hole?
Sonny. Ooh.
That's a bass.
That's what I was about to say, Sonny.
I know, I saw it coming. Let's catch that, Jacob.
About a 12-pound bass.
12 pounder. How
Yeah.
hard is that? Look at it. Yeah.
12 pounds
That out
easy.
there.
12 ounces maybe. No. It might be a half a pound. Belly flop.
Call it, homie.
Look at it. It's hard coming up too. I don't know what this is. A limb, I guess?
What?
Is that a limb?
Call it point. How does that work every time for you?
I don't know, Matt. It just does.
One day you're gonna lose that rod. Yeah, use a little trick, man.
I might lose the rod one day, but you know what? If it's somewhere where I don't think I can get to it, if it does break it, break the line or something, I'm not gonna try it. But something like that, where worst case, I'll just jump down in there and grab it. Matt's about to attempt to walk across this log, or this limb. It's not even a log. You're gonna fall and bust your nuts on it.
Oh God. Sweet baby Jesus. I made it.
Oh, dang.
It's like a truck.
Oh,
I'm an old pair of baseball boots. Look at you. I swear, you make me sick.
it was right there in front of me.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Hey, you got my line.
I didn't know so. I'm good. He's like, boo, boo.
Big fish.
Are you recording this?
Yeah. It's a turkey whisperer. Yeah.
He keeps calling back to me, dude.
I just had another bite.
Maybe I missed my calling. Maybe I should be a turkey hunter.
Oh. Look, Sonny had one. You get one? Oh!
What was it?
It looked like a bass.
He was pulling pretty dang hard, dude.
Throw back out there. Oh! Dude, right up under the tree. It was right up under you. Nice little crappie here. Nah.
Oh man, that's a good one.
Easy with it, Matt. Easy. Easy. What is that?
Dude,
That's a stripe.
dude, that's the biggest fish I've ever caught.
Really?
Dude, come up. Dude, walk over here. Walk over here with it. Matt, don't try to pull it up.
But don't fall.
Matt, don't try to pull it up.
I'm not going to walk this.
Walk over here.
Just walk this way.
Give it some
Let a
slack.
little line out if you wanted to.
Give it some slack.
Look at you.
Guess that's somebody's fishing pole. Man. You're in somebody's little fishing line. What?
Oh, you lost it.
Try to reach down there and lip it.
Dude, I got somebody's line around.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry about that line. There you go. Look at that.
I think Matt's got the biggest one of the day.
I don't know.
Barely got him, too.
You know, one day we need to try to do striped fish.
Look at that.
It's nice and
Take a picture of him.
Look at you.
You ever been in a selfie there, Mr. Strike? Caught a few fish here today on Old Snipper Creek. We started it down on Casita Road and ended down here at the W.M. Milner Bridge on the Backwater Road. I caught a few, Sonny caught a few, Jacob caught a few. Had fun. Didn't catch a whole lot of fish, but it's been a fun day. Remember, comment on this video, like and subscribe, and put you in contest to win you a t-shirt and some lures. We got some stuff we want to give away, so if you want it, comment. Pretty sure the last person that won was the only comment on the video. So they got a t-shirt by default. Well, see y'all next time.
Up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, shaboom, 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 shaboom. Ship. Life could